Hey folks, it's the end of a long day here. You can skip this little chat if you want to get to the good stuff. There's some really nice playing from Jacob Mafuleni and forward Kwenda and us. This is my buddy Marcus. He just arrived like really late last night and you've sort of landed right in it. Do you want to say anything about what's happened today and what people might be just about to see on their video?
Yeah, for sure. So, hi everyone. As Andy said, my name is Marcus and I joined Andy and Forward here in Zimbabwe very late, like 1:30 in the morning, and didn't even have my luggage when I was waiting at the hold. So yeah, it was quite an unsettling start to the journey, but then as soon as I met Andy and Forward, they took me back to the hotel. Yeah, we had a good sleep, and then today I met Jacob Mafuleni who came. Andy was recording him play and it was really intense, and he took us both on a journey. It was really incredible playing. So I think for my first full day here, to hear Jacob play, and then also in the evening time to play with Forward and Andy when we were playing together, we played Nyamasvisva. It was, yeah, I feel like I couldn't have asked for a better day actually to begin. And I've also got my luggage now as well, so
Awesome.
Yeah, it was a great end to the day.
It's great to have you here. I'll lead you now into a couple of videos from today. Cheers everyone. Oh, bye from us.
Cool.
So here with Jacob Mafuleni. Yeah. Would you tell everybody what we've just been working on?
Well, we've been working on Mbira traditional songs recording, and yeah, we had a lot of fun. That was good, amazing, with good time, and I'm loving it.
I want to tell everyone that Jacob's playing was powerful, right? He jumped straight in the deep end and he gave everything. Like it was emotional for me, and then we did Dangurangu, yeah. And the thunder came, and we've got the rain right here in sunny Africa. Yeah. It's been magical to spend this short time with you, and I'm so grateful to have that time together with you. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You love it. That was good.
Cheers everyone.
Cheers.